Have you ever stepped into the middle of a city and instantly felt like someone just turned the heat up by 5 degrees? Like, why does it feel way hotter in the city than in nearby villages or greener areas? It's not just in your head. Cities actually are hotter, sometimes by 5 to 7 degrees Celsius or even more. And the reason behind this is something called the urban heat island effect. So today, let's break down what urban heat islands are, why cities are becoming literal ovens, and what this means for our future. An urban heat island, or UHI, is a phenomenon where urban areas experience significantly higher temperatures than surrounding rural regions. Basically, the city becomes a heat island surrounded by cooler areas. During the day, cities absorb more heat, and at night, they release that heat slowly, which means urban areas often stay warm even after sunset. That's why nights in big cities feel weirdly stuffy compared to the countryside. So, why does this happen? Let's talk about the biggest reasons. 1. Concrete and asphalt everywhere. Cities are full of roads, buildings, pavements, all made from materials like concrete and asphalt. These materials absorb and store heat from sunlight instead of reflecting it. So basically, your roads and buildings are acting like giant heat sponges all day long. 2. Lack of greenery. Trees and plants cool the environment through shade and a process called evapotranspiration. But in cities, green spaces get replaced by shopping malls, apartments, and parking lots. Less greenery equals less natural cooling. 3. Human activities. Vehicles, factories, and air conditioners release heat into the atmosphere. Ironically, the more we try to cool our rooms with ACs, the more heat gets pushed outside, making the environment even hotter. It's like fighting fire with fire. 4. Tall buildings and narrow streets. Urban architecture can trap heat between buildings. This reduces airflow and prevents heat from escaping easily, creating what scientists call an urban canyon effect. Now, this isn't just about being uncomfortable. Urban heat islands have some serious consequences. Higher energy consumption. More heat means more use of fans and air conditioners, which increases electricity demand. Increased air pollution. Hotter temperatures speed up chemical reactions in the air, leading to higher levels of smog and ground-level ozone. Water quality issues. When hot surfaces heat up rainwater runoff, it can raise the temperature of nearby rivers and lakes, affecting aquatic life. Health risks. Extreme urban heat can cause heat exhaustion, dehydration, and even heat strokes, especially among children and the elderly. Okay, so are we doomed? Not really. There are actually some effective solutions. Planting more trees and creating urban green spaces. Using cool roofs that reflect sunlight. Installing green roofs in vertical gardens. Promoting eco-friendly transport. Using heat-resistant and reflected building materials. Even small changes in urban planning can make a big difference in reducing city temperatures. Urban heat islands are a growing challenge, especially as cities continue to expand. Understanding this problem is the first step toward building cooler, healthier, and more sustainable cities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on climate change and environmental awareness. See you in the next one!